Welcome to Lora, Inspire, and Create, the place where creativity meets meaning and every piece tells a story. Today, I want to share with you a necklace that was made not from gemstones or gold, but from something most of us leave behind: forgotten keys. It all began when I was cleaning out an old wooden drawer at my grandmother's house. Buried under loose buttons and scraps of fabric was a small box filled with keys. None of them matched the doors we had now. Some were rusted, others worn smooth from years of use. My first instinct was to throw them away. After all, they were useless, right? But something made me pause. Each key had once opened something important: a home, a diary, a drawer where someone hid their treasures. They weren't just metal, they were tiny time capsules of lives lived. So I decided to turn them into something new. I polished each key, added delicate chains, and combined them with beads and charms. Slowly, the collection transformed into a necklace that was more than an accessory. It was a piece of history, worn close to the heart. Here's the twist. When I showed the finished piece to my grandmother, her eyes filled with tears. She recognized one of the keys instantly. It was the key to her childhood jewelry box, the one she thought had been lost forever. For her, it wasn't just jewelry, it was a flood of memories, a bridge to her younger self. That moment reminded me of why I create. Jewelry isn't just about style, it's about meaning, memory, and transformation. Something forgotten can become something priceless when we give it a second life. So the next time you find an old object lying around, whether it's keys, buttons, or scraps of fabric, don't throw it away just yet. With creativity, it might become your next masterpiece, filled with stories only you can tell. If this story inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone who loves meaningful crafts, and subscribe to Lora, Inspire, and Create for more DIY jewelry, creative inspiration, and projects that give memories a second life.